pupunta. We go from South Mall today. Tara guys. Wait. Pag sinabi ni Papa 1, 2, 3 jump. Okay, 1, 2, 3 jump.
Hatay! Hatay! Hey! Hatay! Oh! No. Me.
Ayan guys.
Hatay! Wait. Bye, Bobo. Ati, Dada! Dada! Hatay! Dada!
You say welcome to the
Yeah. Hi, Dada! Hey! Me.
Ayan guys, nasa bandila na kami ng pinakamataas ng bandila ng Saudi. Ayan yung bandila na yan. Ayan. Kung nakikita nyo, yan yung pinaka-arco nila, pinakamataas na bandila sa Book of Guinness Book of Record. Kasi wala siyang bandila. Ewan ko sino nagnakaw ng bandila.
Mommy. Hey! Yeah.
Say hi guys.
Hey, Bo. Dada ba?
Hindi maganda yung oras na punta namin ng traffic.
Up.
No, sit only. Hi guys, nandito kami sa South Mall. Gulo-gulo. Right here. Kaya magulo. Ang kulit. Natin. How much this one like this pare? How much this one is like?
Ada 120 dia. Original. Ada biar 200, 300 market.
Yeah, we come back. Yeah. Go. bayan nila. Mga shoes. Oh, we go up. Nothing here. We go up. Ito pa, takon ko. Iiwanan ko kayo eh. Wag magulo, wag magulo. Wag magulo, wag magulo. Oh, gulo. Uwi na tayo. Sige na. Ang gulo nyo eh. See, it's close. There, the dinosaur. See, close. We buy food first. Halika. We buy food. Yeah. See, close. Close. Yeah. We go here. Yeah, we eat. Yeah. What you like? Ice cream or here? Now, close, Dudut. Close. No, close. Where? What you will buy? What? No candy, ah? No candy. What you will buy? You don't like chicken there, oh? Chicken? Ice cream? How much the ice cream, pare? Okay, give 1. What flavor you like? What you like, Dato? Okay, kay Dato there. Oh. Okay, get Dato. You A, what you like? Pink? Okay, pink. Okay, pink. Oh, get A, pink. Oh, get now, there. Oh, get. Then, you're blue. Okay, blue. Oh. Okay now, ha? Oh, we go home na. Nakabili kami ng Adidas. Yeah. It's 30 real now. Yeah. Say hi, guys. Oh, uwi na tayo. Oh, we go home. We buy food first. We buy food. Oh, iwan ka. O, iiwan ka na nga. Guys, dyan na natapos ang aming paglalakbay today with the South Mall. O, finish your ice cream. We go home na. Finish your ice cream. Yeah. See you guys. At nakabili kami ng 200 na binigay nila na t-shirt. Okay, bye-bye guys. Ubusin nyo muna ice cream. Ubusin nyo. What happened to your face?
See? This there. That. See.
Palawak pa ng lupa ng Saudi. Ang dami pang bakante. Ayan o. Mga lawak niyan.
Where's mommy house?
Mommy house. There, up. I buy already t-shirt.